Hi, Mark Sylvia here. I'd like to take a moment to show you a new innovation we have in Kenmore grilling. We call it From the Grate to Your Plate. It's a Kenmore exclusive removable grate system. Prep it, grill it, serve it, store it. Remember that, we're going to show you that in a bit. What do you get here? You get a pull-out tool storage compartment with a grate lifter. You've got a removable grate, tray, and lid. What does all this mean? Let's go take a look. We're going to cover the prep it portion of this system now. What do you normally do when you grill? You've got some plates for the food. I usually take the seasoning, stick it under my arm. You've got your tools. Can't even open up the patio door, right? We're going to solve this problem for you. You have the food already prepped on the cooking surface, ready to cook. Now we're ready for the grilling portion of this segment, the part you've all been waiting for. Note that the grill's been preheated for 10 minutes, ideal for cooking. You're going to take the grate handle and insert it into the grate. Remember, the food's already prepped. We're going to lift the lid, insert the grate, close the door, and now we're cooking. Now we're ready to serve. Grab the grate lifter, remove the grate. And look at these sear marks. Can this grill cook? Insert the grate into the tray. Open the tool storage, throw on your other mitt. Now we're ready to go from grate to plate. Dinner's served. Best part of this, we haven't dirtied any dishes. Everything's done right on the cooking surface. We're ready to eat. Barbecue's over, you've got leftovers. What normally happens? You dirty more dishes. Not anymore. We've got a solution for you. Pop the lid on the tray. Food goes in the refrigerator. You're ready for steak and chicken tomorrow. Oh, by the way, every component of this system is dishwasher safe. This is an exclusive system to Kenmore, only carried at Sears. Want more information on this grill? Visit your local Sears store, or for all your grilling needs, go to Sears.com, Kmart.com, or Kenmore.com. Happy grilling. Why? Because you've prepped the food overnight in the removable grate system with tray and lid. We've prepped the food overnight in our exclusive tray and lid system. Take the grate handle, take the grate of food, you throw it in the tray.
It's never hard to do.
Now that we've seen this system in action, Kenmore has created for you a system that's convenient, a time saver, and it's going to eliminate all the dirty dishes. And oh, by the way, fully dishwasher safe. I want to